Welcome back to Mudra classes. I am Rakesh sir, your commerce lecturer. So today I am going to explain you question number 6 from admission of a partner. Okay. So see what is given in the question. Let's see one time. Vasu and Dasu are partners sharing profit and losses equally. So who are the partners beta here? Here partners are Vasu and Dasu. How they are sharing? They are sharing profit and losses equally. That means 1:1. That means if the business got 1 lakh profit, both are sharing 50,000 50,000. The business got 2 lakhs profit, both are sharing 1 lakh 1 lakh. So 1:1 their profit and losses sharing ratio equally means. Their balance sheet given now. Below their balance sheet given some adjustment. Let's see. Sonu has to pay 1,25,000 as capital. So who is see they decided to admit Mr. Sonu from 1st April 2020. So who is the new partner here? Sonu is the new partner. Okay, and Sonu is bringing 1,25,000 as a capital. Okay, new partner is bringing 1,25,000 as capital, and Sonu shall pay 30,000 as goodwill. So this is case 2 beta. In goodwill, case 2 this one. So 2 journal entries will come for case 2. Remember. So new partner bringing cash into business. Next, machinery to be depreciated by 10% said. So tick the machinery. Buildings to be appreciated by 20% said. So tick the buildings. Provide for bad debt said. So tick the debtors. Okay. So whatever items given in the whatever adjustments given, I ticked nana. Now from where we will start answer? See, always start answer from the balance sheet asset side onwards. Balance sheet asset side, what is given? First item, cash at bank. So we have to open bank account. Bank account, we have to write opening balance 15,000. So I will go to bank account. I will go through bank account. So this is the bank account beta. In bank account debit side, I will write to balance brought down. This is called opening balance. So 15,000 given, I will write 15,000 as a opening balance. So bank balance given 15,000, I written in bank column as a opening balance. Next item given salary debtors. So write as it is balance sheet asset side in the answer. So balance sheet asset side in the answer we have to write salary debtors. Okay, how much given beta amount? Salary debtors amount, how much given? 40,000. So write down here 40,000. Write in inner column because we have adjustment debtors. Next item. Next item given stock beta, but stock we not have any adjustment, so directly we have to write outer column. So balance sheet asset side. Balance sheet asset side we have to write. Directly outer column will write, leave some place for debtors adjustment. Here I will write stock. Okay, directly we have to write outer column. Nana, how much amount given stock? 80,000 given. So 80,000 we have to write balance sheet asset side. Directly outer column, no adjustment. Okay, so adjustment lo unna inner column lo raskovalana, adjustment lo lenvi outer column lo raskoval. Whatever given in adjustments we have to write in inner column, whatever not given in adjustments we have to write in outer column. So this first amount column is called inner column, second amount column is called outer column. Now see the next item. Stock completed beta. What is the next one? Furniture. Furniture, how much given, Anna? 10,000 given. So balance sheet asset side. Balance sheet asset side, write down furniture. No adjustment for furniture also. Directly write outer column furniture 10,000. Okay. Next item. Furniture completed. Next item given machinery 50,000, building 70,000. We have adjustments. So write in inner column beta. Machinery 50,000, building 70,000. So machinery 50,000, write in inner column and leave some place and write buildings 70,000. Write in inner column we have adjustment. Okay. So next item given profit and loss account. Beta, profit and loss account given in the question asset side, that means it is a loss to the business. Okay, so old partners Vasu and Dasu got in previous year, they got loss. So these loss we have to distribute to Vasu and Dasu in old ratio. It is a loss. If profit and loss given in the question liability side, that means that is a profit beta. Okay, if it is given in the asset liability side, that is profit. If it is given in the asset side, that is a loss. So now in partners capital account, we have to distribute to liability side and debit side. We have to write this one. So profit and loss account I will open. So in partners capital account, debit side I had to write to profit and loss account. Okay, how much profit, how much loss we got? How much loss, profit and loss given in the question? 5,000 given. So that 5,000 we have to distribute to two partners equally. So first of all, I will write here partner's name Vasu, Dasu and Sonu. One more partner name. So here also I will write Vasu, Dasu and Sonu. Okay. So in for two partners, who are the old partners, Nana? Here Vasu and Dasu are the old partners, so they are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1:1. So equally we have to distribute that. Previous year they got loss, so we have to distribute equally in partners capital account. Okay, now come to the next one. So balance sheet, asset side, all items completed, Nana. Now come to the liability side. Liability side, what is given first? Capitals given. Capitals of Vasu and Dasu given. So in partners capital account, credit side we have to write as a opening balance. Vasu 1,20,000, Dasu 1 lakh. So Vasu 1,20,000 and Dasu 1 lakh rupees. Here we have to write by balance brought down, by balance brought down. Okay, now next item, general reserve given. Now next item, what given on a general reserve? Already I explained in the previous video. General reserve is belongings to old partners. Okay, if previously whatever they got profit in the previous years, entire profit they not shared, some part of the profit they kept aside, that is called general reserve. Now before coming into business new partner, we have to distribute the general reserve to old partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So these 20,000 we have to distribute to old partners in the old ratio, that is equally, that is 1:1. So 20,000 we have to distribute to two partners equally. So partners capital account, credit side we have to write by general reserve 10,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees we have to distribute equally. Okay, next item, outstanding expenses 10,000 given and creditors given 20,000 as it is balance sheet. Liability side we have to write creditors 20,000, outstanding expenses 10,000. Okay, right. One time. Now if you see all the items from balance sheet, asset side, all items completed. Now we have to see the adjustment. So what is first item given? Anna, new partner bringing capital into business. So which journal entry will come when new partner is bringing into cash into business? So this journal entry will come, Nana. First journal entry, bank account debit 1,25,000 is bringing to new partner name is Sonu. So Sonu capital account we will write 1,25,000. So new partner bringing 1,25,000 as a capital, Nana. So we have to write like this. This journal entry will come. కొత్త పార్ట్నర్ బిజినెస్లోకి క్యాపిటల్ తీసుకుని వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఈ జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ వస్తుంది. బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ డెబిట్ టు సోను క్యాపిటల్ అకౌంట్. ఓకే, so bank account debit 1,25,000 to Sonu capital 1,25,000. This journal entry we have to post into the ledger accounts. Now how to post? Write on debit side bank column 1,25,000. Otherwise write in bank account debit side 1,25,000. Okay, now I will change the sketch, Nana, so that you can understand clearly. Now let's see. Write in bank column debit side 1,25,000. Bank column debit side I written 1,25,000. Okay, close this bank beta. What is opposite? Sonu capital. So write down here to Sonu capital account. This is adjustment number A. Okay, now bank is on debit side, that means Sonu capital is on which side? Credit side. So write in Sonu capital credit side 1,25,000. So this is the Sonu capital beta. Credit side I written 1,25,000. So close this Sonu capital. What is opposite? Bank. So write down here by bank account. By bank account. In LF column you write, sorry, here you write adjustment number 8. Okay, so adjustment number A I written already. Now let's see the adjustment number 2. So adjustment number 2, what given? Sonu shall pay 30,000 as goodwill. This is case 2 beta. When new partner bringing cash into business for goodwill, so that is case 2. So 2 journal entries will come for this. What is the first journal entry? I will write here. So what is the first journal entry? First journal entry is for point number B, 2 journal entries will come, Nana. So bank account debit to goodwill account. Okay, new partner bringing 30,000 goodwill as a goodwill, Nana. So that for that purpose we will write new journal entry, bank account debit to goodwill account. Right, 30,000 is bringing. So new partner bringing 30,000 goodwill. So for that purpose we will write this journal entry. And second journal entry is whatever goodwill brought by new partner, thus goodwill is distributed to old partners in old ratio. So who are old partners in this question? Vasu. So Vasu capital account and one more partner Dasu. So Dasu capital account we have to write. Okay. So these 30,000 how to distribute to old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that is 1:1, that is equally. So each partner will get how much beta? 15,000 and 15,000. These two journal entries now we have to post into the ledger accounts. Now how to post? Write in bank account debit side 30,000. So this is the bank account debit side. I written 30,000. Okay. Now close this bank. What is opposite? Goodwill. So again as this 30,000 write to goodwill account. Again as this 30,000 right here to goodwill account. This is adjustment number B. Okay. Next. Bank is on debit side. That means goodwill is on which side? Credit side. So write in goodwill account credit side 30,000. Write in goodwill account credit side 30,000. Where is goodwill account? So here we got goodwill account. See, write in goodwill account credit side 30,000 share, goodwill account credit side I written 30,000. Okay, close this goodwill beta. What is opposite? Bank. So write down here by bank account, by bank account. Okay, this is adjustment number B. So write down here B. Okay, now in point number 2, in adjustment number 2, first journal entry completed. Now I have to post second journal entry. Okay, see the second journal entry. Write in goodwill account debit side 30,000. Write goodwill account debit side 30,000. This is the goodwill account. Debit side I written 30,000. Close this goodwill beta. What is opposite? Vasu capital and Dasu capital. So write down here to Vasu capital account 15,000 to Dasu capital account 15,000. Okay, if you add these two we will get 30,000. Okay, goodwill is on debit side beta. Then Vasu capital and Dasu capital is on which side? Credit side. So write in Vasu capital credit side 15,000. Write in Vasu capital credit side 15,000. So this is the Vasu capital credit side I written 15,000. Okay, similarly see the next one. Write in Dasu capital credit side 15,000. So Dasu capital, this is the Dasu capital credit side I written 15,000. Now close this Vasu and Dasu capital. What is opposite? We have goodwill. So again is this 15,000. Here we have to write by goodwill account. So this is also adjustment number B. Okay. Now see the next adjustment. See the next adjustment beta. Here first two adjustments completed. See the third adjustment. Machinery be depreciated by 10%. What is the meaning of machinery be depreciated? Machinery value taggipotundi. Machinery value is reduced in the business because we are using regularly in the business. So now we have to deduct from the balance sheet asset side. So balance sheet asset side, machinery depreciated 10% given, less depreciation on 50,000. If you calculate 10%, Nana, 5,000 we will get. So 50,000 minus 5,000, outer column 45,000. What is the outer column, Nana? 45,000. Just a minute. Outer column 45,000 we will get. So how we got this 5,000 rupees? I will calculate here. 50,000 into 10%, say Nana. 10% means 10 by 100. Now do cancellation. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So balance is 5,000 rupees. That 5,000 only we have to deduct here. This is adjustment number C. One time we will deduct in the balance sheet asset side, Nana, from machinery, and second time, see, machinery value 5,000 reduced, deducted, okay, reduced. That means it is a loss to the business. So in revaluation account, debit side we have to write. If you got loss, write on debit side beta in revaluation account. If you got profit, write on credit side. So in this case, machinery value 5,000 rupees reduced, so it is a loss to the business. So in revaluation account, debit side you write to machinery account, adjustment number C. Okay, now come to the next adjustment beta. What is the next adjustment given in the question? Buildings to be appreciated by 20%. Buildings to be appreciated by 20%. Appreciated means increased. Building value increased by 20%. So we have to add to the buildings in the balance sheet asset side. Add appreciation. Appreciation means increase. So building value increased by 20%, Nana. So 70,000 into 20%, that means 20 by 100. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 7 2s are 14, 3 zeros left, 3 zeros. So 14,000 we have to add. So 70,000 plus 14,000, 84,000 is the outer column. This is adjustment number D. Okay, now building value increased by 14,000, so it is a profit to the business. So in revaluation account, credit side we have to write by buildings 14,000, adjustment number D. Okay, last adjustment is left, Nana. So last adjustment, what is given? Last adjustment, provide for bad debts 6% on debtors. Provide for bad debts 6% on debtors. That means మనకు పైసలు ఎవరైతే ఇచ్చేది ఉందో వాళ్ళని డెటార్స్ అని అంటారు నాన్న. మన దగ్గర ఎవరైతే అప్పు తీసుకున్నారో వాళ్ళని డెటార్స్ అని అంటారు. సో బ్యాడ్ డెబ్ట్స్ అంటే ఎవరు? మనకు అప్పు ఇచ్చిన, మన దగ్గర అప్పు తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళు డబ్బులు ఇవ్వకుండా పారిపోయారు అనుకోండి, వాళ్ళని బ్యాడ్ డెబ్ట్స్ అంటారు. సో ఇక్కడ ప్రొవైడ్ ఫర్ బ్యాడ్ డెబ్ట్స్ అంటున్నాడు. అంటే అర్థమైంది, వాడు పారిపోలేడు కానీ మనకు డౌట్ ఉందన్నమాట, ఇవ్వకుండా పారిపోతాడేమో అని. ఇవ్వకుండా పారిపోతాడని డౌట్ అన్నా సరే పారిపోయిన అనుకొని మనం మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి, పారిపోయిన అనుకొని మనం రాసుకోవాలి అకౌంట్స్లో. సో డెటార్స్ మీద 6% చేయాలి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాల్కులేట్ 6% on debtors, Nana. So balance sheet asset side on debtors 40,000 rupees. Here I will write PBD. PBD means provision for bad debts. On 40,000 rupees we have to calculate 6%. 40,000 into 6 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 6 4s are 24. 2 zeros left. So 2,400 we have to deduct from 40,000. So how much we will get beta? 37,600 outer column. This is adjustment number E. Now this is the loss to the business. మనకు డబ్బులు ఇచ్చేవాడు ఇవ్వకుండా పారిపోతే మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ ఆ లాసా? లాస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ a loss to the business. So in revaluation account, one more time we will write in revaluation account debit side to provision for bad debts, adjustment number E, amount 2,400. Okay, so with this all adjustments completed, Nana. Now we have to close the account one by one. So with this all adjustments completed, one by one we have to close the account. So first I will close the revaluation account, Nana. So revaluation account credit side, how much we got, Nana? Revaluation account credit side total is 14,000 and see the debit side total 7,400. In these two, which is the big amount? Credit. So both sides write that big amount 14,000 14,000. Now do minus, no, 14,000 minus 7,400, 0, 0, okay, 0, 0, 10 minus 4, 6, next 13 minus 7, 6, so 6,600 right on debit side, Nana. 6,600 is the profit. This profit we have to distribute to old partners. Who are the old partners in this question? Vasu and Dasu. We have to distribute to Vasu and Dasu in their old profit sharing ratio, beta. So these 6,600 we have to distribute to them. Old profit sharing ratio. What is their old profit sharing ratio? 1:1. That means each partner will get 3,300 and 3,300. Okay. These profit we have to transfer to partners capital account, Nana. In partners capital account we have to write on credit side. Okay. By from which account that profit we got? Revaluation account. So write down here, by revaluation account 3,300, 3,300. Okay. Now next, what is the next bank account we have? Close the bank account. 15,000, 1,25,000, 1,40,000, 1,70,000. So 1,70,000, 1,70,000. The same amount will come here, 1,70,000. This is the known as closing balance by balance carried down. This bank closing balance is an asset. We have to write balance sheet asset side, beta. Balance sheet asset side, bank balance. How much we got, beta? Bank balance 1,70,000. Okay. Now next, which account we have to close? Now we have to close the partners capital account, beta. Partners capital account. First see the Vasu total. 1,20,000 plus 10,000, 1,30,000 plus 15, 1,45,000, 45,000, 48,300. So 1,48,300 we got, Nana. Vasu total, same total you write down here, 1,48,300. Now from this 1,48,300, do minus 2,500. So 1,48,300 minus do 2,500 loss, Nana. So how much will get? 0, 0. 13 minus 5, how much, beta? Okay, 3 is there, take carry. 13 minus 5, 8. Next 7 minus 2, 5. Okay, so 14,000, 1,45,800 we got, Nana. So 1,45,800. This is closing balance of Vasu. Similarly, close the Dasu capital, Nana. So 1,10,000, 1,25,000, 1,28,300. From this 1,28,300, do minus, Nana, 2,500. I will do here 1,28,300 minus 2,500, 0, 0. Next 13 minus 5, 8. Next 7 minus 2, 5. So 1,25,800. Okay. Now do the Sonu total, Nana. Sonu total 1,25,000 we got. The same answer we have to write, 1,25,000. So now 1,25,000 minus 0, 1,25,000. Okay, this is called closing balance. Okay, these three partners closing balance will write like this, beta. To balance carried down. Okay, these balance carried down once again we'll write in balance sheet asset side, balance sheet liability side as a capitals. Balance sheet liability side as a capitals we will write, Nana. One by one amount we will write. Vasu account, Dasu account, and new partner name Sonu account. Okay, what is their balance? One by one, let's see. What is the total of Vasu? 1,45,800. So 1,45,800, and Dasu total 1,25,800, and Sonu total is 1,25,000. Okay, so now with this all items are completed, Nana. Now you have to do the total. Asset side and liability side, do total. We will get the, if you get the same answer, that is correct. If you not get the same answer, that is wrong. Goodwill account, automatically it will close, Nana. Both sides we got 30,000. So it will automatically, goodwill account will close. Okay, now finally do the total of asset side and liability side, we will get the same answer. Okay, let's do the asset side first. Total beta, this creditors amount is 20,000, 20 plus 10, 30. Okay, 30. First we'll do this one, 2,50,000. One by one we'll see. 0, 0, hundreds column 8, 8, 16, 6 plus 1 carry, 10, 15, 16, 15 plus 1 carry, 5, 9, 9, 9, 9. 10, 11, 12 plus 1 carry plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4,26,600 we got, Nana. Now do here also. Here also we'll do total 0, 0, 6. Next fourth one, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So 6, 1 carry. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 8, 16, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20, 20, 21, 21, 21, 29, 29, 29, 32, 2. So 2 plus 3 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so 4 lakhs. So now see, Nana, both sides we got the same answer, 4,26,600, 4,26,600. Now this answer is correct because both side, asset side and liability side, we got the same answer. So it is correct. Okay, like this you have to do the problems. So listening is not important, beta. If you simply listen the problem, you will not understand. After listening the problem without seeing the answer, keep in front of your question, keep in front of you one rough notes with your pen. You do practice. Okay, without practice you are unable to do in the exam. You must do practice. ఓకే, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే ఎగ్జామ్లో చేయగలుగుతారు. చెప్పేటప్పుడు నేను లెక్చరర్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీరు వినేటప్పుడు ఇది చాలా ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తుంది, కానీ పెన్ను పట్టుకుంటే కానీ తెలియదు అది ఎంత కష్టమో. కాబట్టి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన వాడే ఎగ్జామ్లో చేయగలుగుతాడు. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన వాడికి చాలా ఈజీ, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయని వాడికి చాలా కష్టం. సో కంపల్సరీ యూ మస్ట్ డూ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, before going to final exam, at least each problem 3-4 times you have to do practice, then only you can able to do perfectly in the exam. Okay, with this I am going to close this session, beta. In the next session I will explain to you another problem. Thank you.